All right, we're coming down to Pittsburgh, downtown, to the Strip District. Well, good morning. We're camped out right here at this spot, and Kathy and John are right over here. We're going into Pittsburgh today to go check out the Strip District, so come along with us. I gotta give a container back to Kathy. She made us some treats and something was wrong with them. They disappeared awfully quick.
They evaporated.
So thank you.
You're welcome. Did you like them?
No.
No, by the evidence I see that you did not like them.
If you have any more, I'll get rid of them for you. I mean, all right, she made a video on the cookies that she made for us, so I'll put a link down in the description and you can check out that. It was really good, so we enjoyed them. Well, Lisa enjoyed
I
one.
got one, yeah.
You ate the rest of them?
Yeah.
You didn't share very well.
No, he didn't, and he didn't even warn me like, this is the last one. You sure you don't want it? Nothing.
I think the dogs might have got into them. The deal with the Strip District is they got all these businesses and restaurants that there's stuff out on the sidewalk, so it's pretty cool. It's really congested with a whole bunch of different businesses. Really cool area to come visit.
I have to sell iron, and yes, you can make
Oh, yeah,
these.
you can. We have patients that make it.
Yeah.
They have olive oil. They sell it at these giant vats that you pump and you fill up your own bottle. Place has got everything. Lisa's favorite store.
Hi. Start out with a little Havarti.
Look at all these spices. Man, they got a whole wall of spices. Oh man, and you can buy the spices by the pound here. That's crazy. All right, we're just in the macaroni, Pennsylvania Macaroni Company, and now Lisa's over here in this place here, My Sweet Lily Desserts. That's what happens when she's on vacation. Oh, I'm good. What is it?
Oatmeal raisin.
How is it?
Not bad.
When's the last time you had one of those?
It's a long time.
So that's the Strip. Essentially all the businesses up and down. Some of them put their stuff out on the sidewalk and they have like a yard sale thing going on. It's pretty intense on the weekends. Right now it's really hard to get a parking spot down here because the whole parking area is under construction. Lots of cool stuff. My favorite is that macaroni, Pennsylvania Macaroni Company. If you get a chance to come to Pittsburgh, definitely come down and check out the Strip. It's a worthwhile adventure. So we're supposed to go into Pittsburgh this morning and meet with Kathy and John from the Inspired Network, but we had a change of plans. Our dentist actually called us and asked me if I can come over there and take a look at a vacuum pump that's not coming on. Never worked on a vacuum pump before for a dental office, but just a pump and a motor, so we'll see if we can't get it running. Then we're gonna head into Veg Fest, but our dentist is in Pittsburgh and we live in Florida, so how crazy is that? Drive 900 miles to go to the dentist. Well, we got the pump back up and running. It's actually two pumps, but that's the little sucker thing that's always in your mouth. It's a simple fix, but they need an electrician in here. The old pump is a lot smaller, and this new pump's bigger and it's drawing more power. It needs a new service put in for it.
All right.
So how does it feel, Lisa? Enjoy the needle. Since the pump was down, they had to cancel some appointments. So since it's up and fixed, Lisa, they said we had a cancellation, so they're gonna get her in and do some extra work. So, surprise for her. So I think I might go up to the steepest hill in America, paved. It's here in Pittsburgh, so we might go check that out. Very disappointed. They have the steepest street in America closed off. They're doing construction on the bottom of the hill. Not happy, but we'll have to come back to Pittsburgh. It's a pretty cool thing. We're in Pittsburgh, not over the river. We're on the north side of it, but it's still considered Pittsburgh. How is it? How is it?
It's awesome.
So we met up with Kathy and John at Veg Fest. There's like 1 million people here and about 500,000 dogs. It's quite interesting. So what's better after Veg Fest? We're gonna go check out a brewery. So you might be saying, why would you go to Veg Fest if you're not vegans? Because Kathy and John invited us, and we're open to exploring new things and trying new things. So it was actually pretty good food. A little too crowded for us. The dogs were a little overwhelmed with the amount of people. Well, we had a pretty good time in, well, Pittsburgh, but we're in Washington, closest campground that we could find at Pittsburgh. Sad when we got to pack up and leave, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. All right, there's John and Kathy's unit, just right across the way from us. They're Solitude. They're packing up and they're leaving today too. They're going to Ohio also, but they're going to a different part of Ohio. So we won't see them again until the end, towards the end of the year, November. They'll be back down in Florida, and next on the trip is Ohio. Hope you come with us. Appreciate all our subscribers, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.